Okay, we're going to do a cold start here on this 1990 Chevy pickup. Got a 4.3 6-cylinder in it, 5-speed, and it was about 10 or 12 below here in Duluth, Minnesota last night. Not a real cold night for Minnesota, but it's some of the colder weather we've had. And we're going to turn this thing over and see if we get it to start nicely. I think it will. I got to move it across the street here anyway, so here we go. Get you fired over nicely. Let it warm up a little bit here. I'm going to move it across the road. Wish it was colder than this, but we'll have to wait till later in the winter.